How to get $100 Best Buy promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Best Buy promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Best Buy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Open follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $700 off, $100 off, 7% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna use. Just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it. Then click on Redeem at Best Buy. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Best Buy. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you proceed to checkout, you will find the section of promo code over there. Just paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page you're gonna find tons of offers. Also, make sure to check out these websites, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Best Buy. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Best Buy promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.